If you've been late paying your bills in the past, or have a mountain of debt, your credit score may be lower than you'd like it to be. Bad credit can be a frustrating disadvantage, particularly when getting lenders to trust your ability to pay them back over time. In this video, we will explain credit and credit scores. We will give you some guidance as to how to improve your credit score relatively quickly. And finally, we will direct you to a link to a lender that has over a 90% approval rate, even for those with bad credit. This video is value-packed with useful information, so be sure to stick around until the end. While having a lower credit score will mean paying higher interest rates, obtaining a personal loan with bad credit is still possible by taking some simple steps to improve your score. What does it mean to have bad credit? Almost every American has a credit file compiled by one or more credit bureaus: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Your credit files are used to compile a credit score, a number that tries to define how risky you would be as a borrower. Credit scores range from 300 to 850. Generally, anything under 670 is considered bad. If you have bad credit, you typically have a short credit history, a history of late payments, lots of debt relative to your income, or any combination of those factors. How your credit score is determined. If you're not in a hurry to obtain the money, it can ultimately make more sense to spend time trying to improve your credit score, rather than proceeding with an extremely high-interest loan. A few areas to focus on if you're looking to improve your credit picture are: payment history, 35% of your FICO score; credit utilization, 30% of your FICO score; length of credit history, 15% of your FICO score; types of credit, 10% of your FICO score; new credit, 10% of your FICO score. How do you get a personal loan with bad credit? If you're in the market for a personal loan and you have imperfect credit, here are 4 steps to keep in mind. 1. Check your credit score and credit reports. Before you apply for a personal loan, take a close look at your credit report and credit score. Federal law entitles you to a free copy of your credit report every 12 months from the major credit reporting bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Visit annualcreditreport.com to request your free credit reports. Or you could join a site like Credit Karma and keep tabs on your credit score daily online. With your report in hand, you'll know exactly what your credit score is, and you'll be able to identify any negative marks on your record. If you find errors or old debt on your report, you can try to correct them before applying for a personal loan. 2. Get pre-qualified. Pre-qualification, sometimes used interchangeably with pre-approval, allows you to find out if you will likely qualify for a loan. Many lenders will allow you to provide your information to find out if you are pre-approved using a soft credit inquiry. 3. Gather financial documents. When you apply for any loan, the lender may request several financial documents to complete your application. Gather these documents and pieces of information before you start applying for loans, as you may need some or all of them to complete your application. Personal contact info, including social security number, full name, and address; your driver's license or another form of personal identification; personal loan info such as why you need the loan and how long of a term you want; recent pay stubs. 4. Be prepared for a hard credit check. When you are ready to officially apply for a personal loan, know that the lender will likely perform a hard credit check, also called a hard pull. Too many hard credit checks in a short time can make it look like you're applying for loans that you can't afford. A loan simply costs more with a low credit score. The unfortunate reality of applying for a loan with a less than ideal credit score is that you will be paying more than someone with a higher credit score. Lenders look at your credit score to determine your creditworthiness and the likelihood of you repaying the loan. If you look riskier, you'll pay a higher interest rate. Where to get a loan with bad credit? As promised, please take a moment to look in the description and locate the link to apply for a bad credit loan for up to $5,000 with a 90% approval rate. The application takes only minutes, and in most cases you will be granted an instant, online approval. The bottom line: getting a personal loan while you have bad credit is harder and more expensive than getting a personal loan with excellent credit. Pre-qualification, if possible, can help you understand what rates are possible without dinging your credit further with a hard credit inquiry. If you can easily put down collateral or get a cosigner, doing so can help you get approved for a personal loan with better interest rates. Thanks for watching.